Oh! All right, let's use the drill. Get in here. Right there. Very cool. This is gonna be our reel for today. Got a spool of line that we will be attaching to this. Got a bobber, and I think I'm gonna toss on a gulp minnow. Not gonna lie, this is looking pretty juicy. I've had this idea for around a week, and now I actually get to do it. I found this inspiration from another fishing YouTuber on YouTube. I don't recall his name. So this is an inspired video. I thought I'd give it a try, and wanted to let you guys see what happened. Waiting for the wind to die down, and then I can continue talking. As I was saying, we are growing at a really quick rate of like 50 subscribers per day on YouTube. So thank you guys for doing all of that. If you haven't already, leave a like for this video because I know it's gonna be interesting and fun. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, people, let's get this started. First of all, we gotta pull out a bunch of line from this spool. Oh no, the wind's starting to kick in. It should be fine. So basically, come down here and start winding up our cast. Oh, that was horrible. We gotta redo that. Wind them up. Boom, there we go.
Ryan's got his lasso cast.
Yeah. I think I've got it down. You got a bass? Yeah. Nathan's got a bass. Oh, that's a good one. Good stuff. Nice. See, I wish I could catch that on my drill. Nice. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and actually go catch a fish now. I've been dealing with these knots this whole time. All right, guys, I give up on the drill. I'm just gonna hand line this thing in. Oh, wow. I think I had a fish on. Ooh, fish bust right in front of me. Oh, that's a fish. Oh! All right, let's use the drill. Let's use the drill. Yeah! Come on, come on. Get in here. Oh no.
Drill like you've never drilled before.
No, it's stuck in the drill. Ah! Oh well, anyways, let's just get this bass in here. So the drill malfunctioned, but, we got a fish. Yes, sir. Check him out, right there. Very cool. Nice little LMB. Thanks for biting, buddy. Oh man, I can't believe that just happened. So my reel malfunctioned because some of the line got caught in there. So I had to hand line it back in, but I got it all fixed now. Let's go and try and catch another one. It appears the gulp does work really well. Boom. All right, drill's all fixed, ready to go. Oh, that's a fish. That's another fish. That's a good one. Woo, let's go. Oh no. Ah, what's going on? Ah, I'm trying, but it's not spinning. It's a good fish. It's a really good fish. Get in here. Well, this ain't working that well. He's dug real deep into the weeds. Let's go ahead, hand line this guy a little bit. Let's try and hand line this guy. Oh, no way. That's a big bass. That's a big bass. All right, we're gonna have to get in here actually. Whoa, we are in here. All right, get over here. Get over here. Nice. We got him. Woo! Boom. That's a bigger largemouth bass on the drill. It's got all this stuff on him. All right, thanks, buddy. You have been awesome. You gave super nice fight. See you, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Y'all, I'm kind of freaking out right now. Who would have thought that you could technically reel in a fish with a drill? I would have never imagined me doing this, but I went ahead, did it, and it does work pretty well. If you guys are already enjoying this video so far, make sure you leave a like, because that was so cool. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't ever had anything like that. I haven't been that hype for a fish ever since my personal best bass was caught. You know what, guys? I think I've discovered who I'm meant to be. I think I'm supposed to be a drill fisherman. So I was actually filming this same exact video at another pond earlier this morning. However, things didn't go according to plan. I only caught like 2 bluegill, and I just decided not to include any of that in this video. It wasn't very exciting at all. However, like, catching bass on this setup is much more fun. So hope you guys are enjoying it just as much as I am. Don't you guys just love it when your crazy ideas somehow end up working? Because I absolutely do. I'm actually trying out some new GoPro settings, and just let me know how you like the video quality of this compared to like my last video. I recently did a poll on YouTube, and I saw a lot of you guys wanted, that's a fish right there. I saw that a lot of you guys wanted me to do another catch and cook. So if that's super popular with you guys, I guess I'll go do a crappie catch and cook sometime. Oh, no, 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 no. That's a turtle. Get away, get away. Yeah, anything but a turtle. We don't catch turtles here. See, people are probably walking by and just seeing me fish with the drill, and they're like, what is he doing? It's probably super funny. Oh, that wind feels great in this hot weather. Oh, there's nothing better than fishing in the afternoon, but then having great weather. Oh, little largie right there, just cruising. Sweet. Let's go ahead, reel some of this slack in. Oh, that's that. Oh, we had a fish, guys. Ah, but this thing doesn't set hooks well. So far, I think this is one of the craziest challenges I've done. I had my 2 friends here with me earlier today. I wasn't catching much, and then they decided to leave because they had stuff they had to do. But then they would be pretty shocked to find I caught another fish. Always stay hydrated. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's not bad. I was trying to aim here. I was just 20 feet off. Oh no, took my minnow. Well, darn, that's too bad. Luckily for me, I've got an 18 count. Oh no, tripod fell down. Are you okay? Oh dear, that is not okay. Look at that, screen protector literally saved my phone. But wow, just cracked my phone a little. Can you guys see it better this way or this way? Yeah, this way. These little pebbles had such a big impact on that screen protector. Man. No, we just broke off.
So darn hot.
Right. Oh. Right. Huh. Got him. Finally. Guys, we finally did it. I just decided to hand reel that fish in. Ah, the drill was just, it was too complicated. But yeah, I think that's gonna be our last fish for today. See you, buddy. Slimy hands. So what have we learned today? Number 1, don't use a drill as a reel. Number 2, don't do silly challenges like this unless you just want to. And number 3, keep at it no matter what happens. I literally filmed this whole video in the morning, but then that turned out horribly. So I came to another lake and just refilmed it, and it turned out awesome. Well, I think it turned out awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I guess we'll see you in the next video. So as always, fish for the adventure.